What happens after alcohol rehab? You might be thinking everything's done by the time you leave the treatment facility, but the journey to recovery doesn't ultimately end there. It's a lifetime process. Don't worry, that doesn't mean you have to pay alcohol rehab treatment costs forever. It only means a commitment to staying sober. There are different types of aftercare programs. Completing the rehab is a great accomplishment, but continuing support is necessary to avoid relapse. Some of these are joining social groups that celebrate sobriety. Another example is a group that encourages each member to stay sober by creating social activities that make everyone engaged. Individual therapy and a follow-up checkup are also examples of continuing support. Creating a daily routine also gives a familiar framework that helps to minimize boredom and thoughts of drinking again. Going to bed at a regular hour, visiting support groups, and making time for new, healthy hobbies also contribute to stability and something to look forward to. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.